Reset map.
Both of your inventory slots have to be with these. No other items
they are.
besides this. You can't
They
even
already
place
are.
blocks.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, give me a sec. Alright, I'm gonna be 1v1ing my trash friend and spleef. First to 3, ready?
I'm definitely already winning.
Bro, what was that? Oh shoot.
Hit him with the haymaker. Make him go cray-crayer.
Oh shoot.
I need more. No! I forgot I didn't have grapples, so I immediately tried grappling.
Oh, forgot. Wait, go back down,
We can't reset map right now.
I know.
We're gonna need to play with.
After each kill, we reset and get more cotton.
I'm already at full, so stay on the your plat. 3, 2, 1, jump.
What was that?
I wanted to get more distance on you.
Oh
yeah, you're dead.
That was so embarrassing.
See, this is why I like grapplers. Without them, the rounds just go so quick.
Snipers this season are way too overpowered, honestly. Get knocked down.
No! Oh!
Did I win? Nope.
Ah!
Oh shoot, I threw my controller. Oh my god. Wait, that didn't count,
Okay.
I just threw my controller across the room. Alright, reset.
3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, that round didn't
No,
happen.
probably wasn't the best idea to jump off and immediately do a flip when I didn't know where I was gonna land.
Oh!
See, this is why I like grapplers. It ends too fast.
Yeah, that's good. It makes it actually
No, because then we can't reset map every time. I think with grapplers it's better.
I don't.
Are we?
I don't like the grapplers.
Are we allowed to grab blocks and then use them?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's no other items. Oh my gosh, I almost said that. What was that?
Oh!
You can't put... Okay. There's no noise.
Ah!
Yes!
No! I keep on thinking I have the grapplers.
2-2. 2-2. Yeah, I'm gonna reset so we can both be at top. Alright. No, don't.
Oh, for the last round, it should have been a reset.
Alright then.
Well, it's too late now. Oh, yo. Alright, get back up. Oh, crap. Alright, well, I guess we're starting, cause...
Oh, yeah,
jump.
cool. Wasn't ready for that.
Boom.
It's 2-2.
Yeah, this is the...
Come on. What was that? Bro, why do I... No! Oh my gosh. I'm so dead. No.
You missed it. Oh.
I hate this game. I'm never playing again.
Do we do a round with grapples now, since we did a round without?
Okay.
We did what you wanted.
Yeah, fair enough.
Alright. I'm gonna... How long...
Hold on, let me check my quest.
How long have we been doing this? Like 9 minutes?
Yeah, probably.
I might just do separate videos for the one without and one with.